Me and Abbie first met when we were about 16 or 17, and I can honestly say that my life just got better every day since then. You're the most beautiful and intelligent person I've ever met, and you inspire me day in, day out.
Abbie, it fills me with joy to see how beautiful you look today as you sit beside your husband. It is wonderful that you have found a husband who encourages you to follow your dreams. Joe, I'm really happy that you chose my daughter to be your wife. During the time I've known you, I've come to realise how special you are to Abbie and what a kind and caring and genuine person you are. I love you both and wish you all the happiness in the world.
I, Joseph,
take you, Abbie Jasmine,
take you, Abbie Jasmine,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I, Abbie Jasmine,
I, Abbie Jasmine,
take you, Joseph,
take you, Joseph,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
In the presence of God, I make this vow.
Just to see the happiness of this event, a pair of Haribos. There's no shortage of humour here.
Abbie, I give you this ring
As a sign of our marriage,
as a sign of our marriage.
with my body I honour you.
With my body, I honour you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God,
Within the love of God,
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Joe, I give you this ring
As a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body I honour you.
With my body, I honour you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with
All
you.
that I have, I share with you.
Within the love of God,
Within the love of God,
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.
Well, there's just one more thing for me to say at this point. You may now kiss the ring.
Life is a journey, it's an adventure. Best travelled with a partner who you can share all the experiences and all the good and all the bad together. And in Jo, she has found that companion. At this point, I did have loads of things to say about Abbie and Jo travelling and going the world, but I think the vicar covered most of that today, so I don't want to go there. For a marriage to work, there has to be lots of talking and lots of listening. Abbie talks, Jo listens.
I'm Anthony, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm Joe's brother, and I'm honoured to be serving as his best man today. As most of you know, Joe doesn't say much. And he never really has. When we were young, I'd done all Joe's talking for him. He's still a man of few words, but now he has Abbie to do the talking for him. And we all know Abbie can talk. I know how much she has made you happy and how much she inspired you to become your best self and how special she has made you feel. I thank her for that, and I thank you for choosing me as your best man.
With all occasions as this, there are those that we wish could be with us today, who sadly aren't. Obviously, the main person there, most importantly, being Abbie's dad, Jimmy. But however, I know Jimmy would be extremely proud today to see how beautiful you look, Ab. And I know he's with us in spirit and most definitely in our thoughts today. So I just want everyone to be standing and just raise a glass to Jimmy for us, please. So to Jimmy.